Running late, going to Panda to get some orange chicken. Oh no, David, come on over. I got you. He was craving Panda Express orange chicken, and I told him no. I got you.
David, best of LA food, and I love orange chicken. I mean, Panda Express, so good.
It is. It's like a classic. It's so delicious. Okay, so what I did is we already chopped up some chicken thighs. I just put a little bit of soy sauce. We have an egg here with a little bit of agua, water, okay, you guys? And then we're doing unflavored protein powder. I added a little celery salt, a little ginger, salt and pepper, and then a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. Then whisk the dry ingredients first. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm doing the work right now.
Yeah, you're cooking it. I'm just showing you how to make it.
Okay.
We're using right here whisker, egg. And do you like to cook?
Yeah, I love to cook.
Okay.
I think that's like one of those things where I started off cooking. I've been cooking since I was a little kid.
Really?
And I was
okay.
watching the Food Networks, you know, growing up watching that. So yeah.
I love that. I like to use parchment paper. Now over the heat, you got to be careful. But the reason why I like using parchment, it creates a smaller whale. And it's easier for cleanup. I just pick this up and dump it in the trash. No
tip right there.
Yes. Wow. All right. So we're going to pour in our oil.
Ooh.
Perfect.
This is already starting to look pretty good. Ooh, nice color.
Finish cooking our chicken, and then we're gonna be making a salsa next.
Nice.
Salsa. The orange flakes.
the orange chicken.
Yeah, the orange chicken.
Oh, they're delicious.
Okay, and then also what I like to do is I'll take them out once they're nice and golden brown. And then I'll refry them at the end, just to make sure that they're nice and cooked too. You know, because chicken be freaking me out, yo. So I like to make sure it's nice and crispy.
Oh, that's a great color,
right? We're gonna do them one more time just to make sure. And for the ones that were kind of sitting out, we want to kind of like give them a little bit of warmth again. And we're gonna start our salsa. And that's where
our orange chicken salsa.
That's where I know I call everything salsa. And if it's liquid, it's salsa, man. I know.
This is the hack that I need to learn right here. I need to know about. Wow.
We're going to make the Panda Express orange chicken sauce that we're going to talk
about. That's the magic right there. Okay.
Yes. I did. Up and go. And then the recipe will be down in the description. I did all the work. I squeezed, I zest for you.
This is the type of cooking that I like. I come in, it's all prepped, ready to go, and I just like pop it.
We want to make sure that we're constantly stirring because we have a thickener agent in there, and it can easily clump and burn. Okay, and then I'm gonna get you a spoon, so go ahead and continue to stir. And then also tell him about your YouTube channels. He has a YouTube.
So I have a YouTube channel we just started, but I have a series that hopefully you guys could go check out. It's called That's Good, and I'm gonna be featuring a lot of different local restaurant around Los Angeles, talking about the history of it, how long it's been in the neighborhood, how important it is to the neighborhood. We're going to be featuring different cultures, different foods. The first one is actually about burritos in Boyle Heights and East LA, spots that have been around for decades. So I'm really excited about that. So it's out now. Go check it out, guys.
Back to where we're at. So I want you to try it. Make sure it cools off. So I don't know if we want to put a little bit more sweetener. What do you feel like?
Ooh, that's got nice heat to it.
It does? Okay.
I like that. I don't think a little more sweetener. Maybe a little more something saltier.
Soy sauce, maybe.
Yeah, maybe a little soy sauce, and that's it. But we're like real close. That tastes so good.
Okay, so continue stirring really quick.
Okay.
While I get you some soy sauce.
That has a nice kick to it, and I love it. Can't wait to try this.
Okay. Black pepper, just say.
Oh, wow.
That was it?
Wow. That's so tasty.
Okay.
That's got a nice kick to it. Delicious. I can't wait to put it.
Yes.
Right here?
Yep.
Got it. I don't know. I don't want to make a mess. Just go for it. You have confidence in me?
Yeah,
I don't know. We'll see.
There you go.
Okay. Now I get a little confident. There you go.
Beautiful.
That looks pretty good. Wow.
That looks really good. Ooh,
that, you know what's crazy is that color is spot on.
Right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
This is going to be your plate to try. I am excited.
Amazing. My mouth is... What's out, guys? I'm about to try... This is supposed to be a healthier version, low-carb orange chicken from Panda Express. And I actually helped make this, so I'm pretty excited. I don't know. Let's see how good of a job that I did with the help of Joyce, and we'll try this out. So, look at that. I love that kick right there. That's pretty spot on. Let me tell you, this is actually crispier than you get the orange chicken at Panda, because you know sometimes it's not that crispy. Let's see here. Man, I can eat this on the weekly.
So
this is good.
Yeah, it's good. So is it a yes please or a no bueno?
This is a yes please for sure. That's pretty damn good.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. And I also made you Jolly Bees, the mango peach.
Oh my god.
So you have to
the mango peach pie. But these are delicious. It's kind of, if you guys remember the fried apple pies from McDonald's, it's similar to that. So this is the baked version right here. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna open this up right here.
Yeah, and it's low carb.
Low carb too.
And no sugar added.
Look at that. Nice and crumbly. I'm gonna take a bite right here.
Yes, I can't wait.
Man, this is a meal right here.
Okay. Yeah, mine's just more flakier, that's it.
A little bit of a mess, but you know what? It was delicious, and that's all that counts.
That's all
was
that
good.
matters.
Yep.
All right. Thank you
Dude,
so much. We did it, you
was
guys.
good.